The central region includes the Deschutes, Klamath and Hood River basins, plus portions of the Lakes Basin. With its magnificent Cascade Mountain views, vast uplands and orchards, the central region is home to some of the fastest growing cities in Oregon. It is also a popular breeding area for both migrating fish and bird populations. Healthy habitats in this region are essential for survival of wildlife, particularly for the reintroduced salmon and steelhead in the Deschutes Basin.
If you think of the most iconic species in the Northwest, salmon and steelhead would qualify, and this is really the nursery for that historic reintroduction.
Over the past century, there has been a gradual loss of stream flows and an increase in warmer water temperatures. With the actions of many, this is starting to change. In the Hood River Basin, more than 360 million gallons of water are saved every irrigation season and left in the streams for fish and other animals. With continued restoration in the central region, this area will be ready for the return of the Great Migration.